First of all, we will look after what is addition. So basically, addition means we probably use the right to left arithmetics which we have learned in our schools. So as an example, if I ask you to do 27 plus 44, how will you calculate this? In a regular way, you will add 7 plus 4 is equal to 1, and the 1 is remainder, and then you will add 2 plus 4 which is equal to 6, and altogether the 1 is added, so then the answer will be 71. So this is the regular way. But if we use that particular regular way, we will not be able to calculate quickly. So for that, I'm going to introduce a technique which is called as left to right arithmetic. So for that, we have to calculate this by tens, hundred, thousands, and 10,000s. So in this case, we have tens and ones only. So for that, we have to calculate 20 plus 40. So we have to divide that 27 into 20 plus 7. 44 will be divided into 40 plus 4. So if we add the tens, and then the answer will be 20 plus 40. So altogether it will come as 60. So then after, we have to add the numbers in ones. So for that, on the 60 we have to add the 4 which is equal to 64. Then after, finally we have to add the 7. So then it will come as 71. So probably the way that we calculate in the technique will be longer. But if we practice these things, as I told you earlier, we have to do 10 examples in each technique in order to become a master. So if we practice 10 questions, 10 examples in this particular technique, we will become a master and we can calculate this very quickly. Let's get back to another example. So in this example, we are going to calculate 541 plus 623. So what is the answer? So I'm going to explain the way that we have learned in the technique. So for that, we have to add 500 plus 600 plus 20 plus 40 plus 1 plus 3. As the arrow indicates that, we have to add these numbers. So after we have added these numbers, we can obtain that 500 plus 600 is equal to 1100 plus 20 plus 40, which is equal to 1160. So then after, we have to add 1 plus 3. So then the final answer will become as 1164. So this is how we add. In these ways I have shown in the slides is only for you to understand. By doing this with our mind, we never use these kinds of steps. What we do is, we only do these kinds of arithmetics and processes in our mind and only obtain and write the final answer. So, hope you understand how we calculate the addition by using the technique, which is called as left to right arithmetic. So let me give you another example. 325 plus 542. So the answer is 867. So this is how we calculate by using our mind. So hope you get an idea about addition, and we will meet in subtraction.